party for the summer, but this time I want to be super specific about who I'm inviting. Like I want to have a lot of football fans so people have something to talk about, but this time I really don't want any hooligans at my place. And also people should be somewhat social, but I want them out the latest by 3 a.m. So now I really don't know how many people will come if I use these criteria and how much beer I have to buy. So we've been doing estimation problems like this at work all the time. Do you have any idea how we could approach this?
Well, in addition to the criteria you mentioned, you probably want to invite people who live in close by geographic locations. And while geo is simple in that you can just add the number of people in different areas, the other criteria mentioned are much more trickier because obviously football fans and football hooligans can have significant overlap. And so how are we going to deal with this problem of, cardinality estimation of sets with given inclusion and exclusion principles, exclusion criteria, and these sets have correlations?
Bloom filter!
That's an awesome idea. They're a probabilistic data structure for compression, and we can also use it for cardinality estimation. So we can estimate the size of unions, intersections, exclusions of sets. That's really a great idea.
Are you talking about audience overlap?
Yeah, we're using Bloom filters.
Bloom filters is an awesome idea, but it might be kind of hard. They might take up a lot of space for really large audiences. Maybe we could use MinHash instead. I've been reading about this idea. It's similar in that we could do cardinality estimation, but it'll take up a lot less space.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, though, it's not just enough to know who you want to invite, because you don't know who's going to show up. What you should do is build a predictive model so you have a sense of who actually is going to come through once you know who they are.
So you guys want to build a tool to estimate audience sizes? It'll have to be easy and fast and scalable. I wonder how we'll approach that. Roger, what are your thoughts?
Well, given the independence assumption of certain inputs and the use of min hashes for estimation of cardinality, I think we could have just 2 instances of a Java microservice do the whole thing.
Okay, let's build it. We build a device that collects billions of data points every day to give an accurate estimate of audience size for every possible combination of inclusion and exclusion criteria, and it does that within much less than a second. Now, everybody who wants to host an event can come to us and speak to the box.
Come to my talk if you want to hear more about how this black box works. We are Dstillery. In our paper, we discuss this problem in the context of predictive market intelligence.